Hi everyone, Marianne from MC Beaters. Good morning on this Saturday morning. Having my coffee. The cup is not as nice as Caroline's. It's just a glass cup. And I have my loaded bag from Janice Johnson. All I did was open up the side, and I think, Janice, I might have cut one of the ribbons. I'm not sure, but when I was cutting, I felt something that was more than paper. I'm sorry, but here we go. Okay. You know what? I think I'm gonna cut. Hold on. I think I'm gonna cut more of the bag. Hold on. Alrighty. Okay. So it's Saturday morning. Today is my son's birthday. So he's working, but we will be going out to dinner later to his favorite restaurant. And my daughter's off also, which is so rare that she's ever off. But oh, how pretty. Oh, this bag is a clear. Oh my God. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Listen, you guys have to bear with me. I've never done a loaded bag before, so hold on. Oh, okay. Sorry. Look how absolutely beautiful this is. It's in, I thought this was the bag, but the bag is in a bag. Okay, you could tell it's the morning. I'm still nasally. My dogs are running around crazy. My daughter's still sleeping. Hopefully she doesn't wake up. Okay, so here we go. Oh my God. It's very Victorian. Oh, beautiful. Very Victorian. Okay, so here we go. Yes, Janice, look what happened. I had a feeling. Oh, okay. All right, bear with me. I hope I'm in the camera. I have it rigged. I usually use my iPad, but my iPad's not working. So the stand that I have is actually for my iPad. So right now, I have my phone with duct tape on my stand. So I have to see if I'm in the picture. Okay. Here we go. Oh, this thing is really loaded. Wow. Janice. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, where do I start? Okay. I will start in the front. Oh, look how pretty this is. Okay, let's check out the bag first. Here's the bag. How did you do this? Okay, I see that there's a bag. Okay, there's a striped, it must be a striped bag underneath, but you put this beautiful Victorian looking paper on the face of the bag. And then this is such a good idea. You actually cut out another piece. I guess it's of the same kind of paper, but I love the way you cut it out. It looks like 3D. Look at the kid here, the girl. Wow. Okay, so let's start with the front. Okay, it says hello with a cute little clip. Oh, where am I? There we are. A butterfly clip. I'm going to bring this to work and show it off. Okay, put that there. Okay, what do we have here? Hello. And a little note. Oh my God, look at the little envelope. Okay. Oh, it's just a note saying that she liked my bag, and I hope I like everything, and yes, I will. Oh, and by the way, Janice, I hope I see you at the next winery affair, which is going to be, it's a mac and cheese one, and we can give you all the information. We can email it to you. Okay, I love the way, this is an envelope made out of like plastic. I can't. Oh my God. I need to figure out how to do all this stuff. Okay. All right. What do we have here? We have here. Oh, did I? See, I don't know how to do this stuff. Okay. Here we go. Oh, wait. How did this happen? Wait a minute. It's hole punched here. I'm opening it up here. You could tell I don't do any of this stuff, this loaded bag thing. Okay, well, I'm just gonna cut it, I guess. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, tags! Oh, how nice! I love them. Look at them. There's a bike, flowers, wine, a rose. This looks like paper. A rose. Oh, and she put it on a nice little clip. Jeez, so talented. Oh my goodness. Okay. What is this, stickers? I'm doing this upside down, by the way. Okay, let me see. Stickers. Hello, happy day. Remember, special heart. Nice. Very nice. Tassels. And look how this is done. So, Caroline does this too. The way you make the bag look so pretty. I tried my best, Janice. I hope you like mine. Okay, and the tassels. A pretty bow. Two pretty bows. Packaged so beautifully. I guess this is washi tape. Stickers. Oh, how nice. Wine trail. Look at that. Wine. The winery. That's where we saw each other. What are these called? Oh my gosh, it's too early. Let me see. Got it. Pinwheel. Got it. Pinwheel. Look how... I hope I'm getting in the camera. And the tape is going to come off soon. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I'm really rigged here today, guys. Sorry. Okay. I love the bag. I absolutely love the bag. It's made so pretty. And you have like sparkles down here. I'm going to have to do this more often. I guess I'm like a different kind of crafter. I'm not like a paper crafter, I guess. I don't know. I guess I'm more, I paint, jewelry. Lexi, don't eat that food. That's not yours. That's Lucy's. I sew and stuff, but I like this. I really do like this. It's very, very pretty. I have to learn. I have to watch and learn and figure it out. I love the way you did it. Okay, anyway, here, we're in the bag now. There is a gold egg for Easter. And we have here, everything is done so creatively. Jeez. My bag, oh my God, it's just like I shove things in it in little bags. Caroline had to help me. Oh my goodness. Everything is done so nicely. Okay, a pad, that's really pretty. A pad with pencils. Bringing that to work too. Okay, I'm so afraid to open these. They're so pretty. Okay, I'm not going to open it, but look, I'm bringing it to work. It's so pretty. There are, I could see inside, there's paper clips, there's binder clips in here. Okay, if you guys can see in there. Okay, this, I have to show my mom how these are packaged also. It's just so pretty. I'm not going to unpackage it. Okay, what else do we have here? We have another page here. Let me see. There's cards in here. This I'm going to open because I just want to see what it is. Hold on. Okay. Look, I'm even having a hard time opening up the bag. Okay. Here we go. Oh God, I hope I'm in the camera. The tape is starting to fall. Jeez. I apologize to everyone with the crinkling, and I apologize if things aren't in camera. Okay, yes, they are cards. Okay, how pretty are they? I don't know if you made these. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. You can make these kind of cards with this paper, these papers. Really nice, and it's springy, so springy. Okay. Okay, that's cards. Cards, I'm going to put everything back in the bag. Okay, and last, we have decals, or they're stickers. Very, very nice and very springy. Okay, that is my loaded bag from Janice Johnson. Thank you so, so much for participating. Thank you for being my partner. I absolutely love everything in my bag. So creative. I got to get on to being a little bit more creative. I'm getting a little jealous here. Okay. Anyway, everybody have a wonderful Saturday and enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.